Hi, I'm Lyle from Volt Bikes, and this is the Volt Metro. This is one of the most popular models that we do. It folds, it's really popular with the commuter market, motorhome community, and it's also very good for being able to just take it in your house, up the stairs, that kind of thing. To turn the bike on, you press the button on top of the battery, then you swipe your key card over the display. We have 4 power modes: low, normal, high, and power. You can set these depending on how much power you want from the motor, how much exercise you want to get, and how hilly it is. Some of the features of this model are suspension in the front and also suspension seat post. It's really good for absorbing any bumps, really comfortable for your back, and you're sat upright in like quite a nice position to ride. Everything's adjustable, so you can position the seat post up and down or move it, lean it back to the exact position that you want. Also, the handlebars are adjustable too. All our bikes come fitted with hydraulic brakes, which are really important for stopping power. Also, we have full mudguards front and rear, a very strong pannier rack, and lights that are integrated and run off the main battery. We also have puncture resistant tyres, which are really important for trying to prevent getting punctures from small bits of glass and little thorns, that kind of thing. Throughout the Metro, we use branded components: Shimano gears, Tektro brakes, SR Suntour suspension, so everything's good quality and reliable. This particular model comes with 2 battery options, a 504 watt hour and a 630 watt hour. The batteries are from Panasonic, and you can generally get anything from 20 miles up to about 60, but it depends on various different conditions that can affect the distance. Most of our bikes come fitted with an ABUS rear wheel lock, which adds another level of security. We also sell a chain lock, which is compatible with the wheel lock, which you can then attach to an immovable object and have it locked up securely. All our batteries are removable, so you can charge them on or off the bike. Depending on the size of the battery, they can generally be charged in about sort of 3 to 4 hours. As you can see, the motor is positioned in the rear wheel. It's a 250 watt Spintech rear hub motor, and it can cope with steep hills and get you up to speed really easily. Our motors will assist you to 15.5 miles per hour, but you can still pedal over that and you won't get any resistance. You can fold the Metro down in a few seconds. I'll just show you how it works. You lift up this little lever here, you pull the latch across. You have to make sure you position the pedals in the right place, and the pedals also fold in, which is pretty handy. Push the hand up, and then this comes across like this. You have a rest just here, so it will support it when the Metro is folded, so it doesn't damage the chain guard, and then the handlebars just come down like this, and then it all stays together quite nicely. If you'd like some more information on the Volt Metro or any of our range, visit voltbikes.co.uk.